Introducing the wonderful, magnificent, amazing chef slash cook, Gregorio.
You must be pretty hungry.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. We don't need no
Looks like I'm opening some packages of ground beef.
Ground beef.
Because this dish is traditionally made with thinly sliced ribeye steaks. But since how beef market's gone stupid, we're used to get ribeye steaks, ones for this. You don't have to get fancy ones for, $8.99 a pound. They're $15.99. So anyway, I just get ground beef and do it with that.
Okay.
So anyway, I got my Blackstone and it's heating up. So anyway, we got some ground beef, and you can do it with whatever ratio you want. Got some ground beef. I even had a couple extra patties in the freezer. I'm gonna throw in there too, just because we've got a crowd. I'm gonna use for seasoning some Montreal Steak Seasoning.
Okay.
And of course, Worcestershire sauce.
Can you say that again?
Worcestershire sauce.
Worcestershire.
I got a knife. It might be small. But so, and then we'll show you the rest of the stuff that's going to go in the dish. So, back in a second. Okay, we're back. Some of the things you want to get, some good hearty rolls, like from a bakery. You can use like these here, these stadium rolls, but they're not quite as hearty as these here. Just some nice soft ones. These I just got at Walmart. And we like to put in ours sliced mushrooms, bell peppers, and onions. And then some American cheese. We'll just kind of melt in there instead of the cheese whiz. You can melt Swiss cheese in there. You can do some different stuff. I put some Montreal Steak Seasoning on there, and then just as much as you like. Depends on how much meat you use and how much seasoning. I haven't done the Worcestershire sauce yet. So anyway, and then as I cook this a little bit, I'm gonna drag some of the grease over here and I'll put all the veggies on. So we'll be back. Okay, we're back. Ooh. Steam shot. So anyway, we got our mushrooms, onions, and bell peppers. Again, it just depends on how much you want, but volume-wise, I kind of like to start with equal amounts, about, in the volume-wise, because the mushrooms and onions and peppers are going to cook down in size a little bit, and so will the ground beef. But I don't know. I like you don't have to have peppers, you don't have to have mushrooms, you don't have to have onions. But then again, then you wouldn't have a Philly sandwich.
Right.
So anyway. And then we'll just drain off, the grease as we get this incorporated.
It's not level, is it? Is it level?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's why the grease is all even.
Okay.
So anyway, we got this all cooked. So I'm just going to chop it up a little bit. I'll turn these onions and pepper and veggie blend. There we go. And cook it a little bit. Then we'll incorporate it. Add the cheese.
Look at that goodness. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Woo.
Looking good, huh? Don't you wish you were here?
Yeah.
Huh? Because we're going to make these things. So you throw these things in a little bit of the grease in the back and kind of roll them around so get them nice and healthy. And then you fill them full of this wonder that has all the cheese and everything, and then you just hunch over and...
And disclaimer, we are having some fresh fruit with it and a salad with it.
We're all having one slice of orange.
Now we got watermelon coming and orange.
Oh, come on, let all
cherries. So we will check back in a bit. Signing out?
Signing out. I lost my photographer. She is cutting fruit for all you people. Anyway, and cut herself. But anyway, here I am. She's okay. Anyway, so I threw the cheese on top of the meat and the veggies. Now I'm going to incorporate them. See if I can do this one-handed. Hey, we're being invaded. What am I filming? Ooh, look at that! Look at that! We got people coming in from all around, checking this out. Ooh. Okay, I got it all incorporated. We will let some of the grease drain off. Okay, and we'll be back.
Ooh, smelling good, looking good.
You got smell of it?
Smell-o-vision.
Oh.
What? Oh, cut. Okay. I thought you were going to say they were moldy. I'm like, we just bought them. Any comment?
I need a bread knife.
Oh my goodness. Let's get a close-up of that. Ooh. I think we need to cut them in half.
That definitely looks good.
It definitely looks good, doesn't it? You can just pick out your mushrooms if you don't want them, but you know what?
Like that size for you, is that okay? Yeah. I'm gonna see how good I can do of not getting mushrooms. So far.
So what do you think, Emma?
Good.
Good?
I haven't taken a bite yet.
Try it out, Timmy. Let me know. Roger, Tina, you try yet? I took a bite.
I took a bite. It's
A
great.
fork bite. Yeah. Oh, yours is right here, Sweet Pea. Move your water. Move your water. There you go. It's kind of hot.
Doesn't it look good?
Mmm.
I just want one.
Okay.
Bob, it's one cut into 2 pieces.
Here. Put the other one on this plate. Put it right here. We'll save it for later. Brother, sister, dad, or whatever. There you go. Now you got one. Oh, my battery's almost dead. Okay, Greg, so wrap it up for me.
Okay,
Is this
Take a
so
bite.
Philly sandwich, it's hot.
Take a bite.
Too hot to pick up. Woo! Really cool.
Here, take a bite of Eddie's half.
Okay,
It's cool.
Eddie, can I have a bite of yours? Thank you.
Yes.
All right.
Garrett, want a bite too? Take the second bite.
Yeah.
Here.
That's Garrett's sandwich.
Is that one mine?
Uh-huh.
Big old bite. Just go for it. Just go for it.
Shove it
I'm
in.
gonna burn my mouth.
Probably.
Probably. This is so good.
Goodness? Okay. Good job, Greg. Yay!
Greg, what seasonings do you put on it?
Gotta watch the video.
Yay.
Dang it.
Just saying.
Shelly, when are you going to put the video out?
Thursday. Toss her up Thursday.
All right.